Alright, YouTube. So, in my hands right now, I have the GoPro Hero 12 Black in its normal recording mode because it does not have a dedicated night mode. And in my right, I have the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 in its pure video mode. Both cameras are in 4K 30 FPS. And we're just going to take a quick walk around, and then I'll mount it up on the windshield of the truck and go for a quick drive. So right now I'm standing in front of my apartment, and from what I can see on the displays, the Ace Pro 2 is immediately brighter and doing much better. And we'll pan over. There is much more environmental detail being picked up. I think I have a smudge. Yeah, I had a smudge on my Ace Pro 2. Sorry about that. But anyway, nighttime performance. Let's get on with it. The sun is just about set. So this is what we're seeing. This is looking towards Metal Lodge underneath the street light. Take a quick walk over towards Eli's. Now, as you can see on the GoPro footage, this is actually fairly dark. Oh, maybe not. There's people over there still. Yeah, as you can see, the video here at night is quite drastically brighter and more detailed on the Ace Pro 2. And I know someone's gonna be like, how come you didn't test the GoPro Hero 13 Black? Well, one, I don't have one, and two, the dedicated low light mode on that is really not much better. So we're gonna walk over here to Metal Lodge, take a look at this sign here at night. Now, this is going to be a multi-part comparison, so yeah. We're starting part one here with the nighttime performance of the cameras. So the reason I didn't buy a GoPro Hero 13 is because I had literally just bought my 12 like 2 months before the 13 came out. And two, the differences in video quality between the 12 and the 13 are quite literally negligible. Both cameras use the exact same sensors, the same 1/1.9. Both cameras have the same recording resolutions. And so, for my purposes, there was no clear benefit to getting the GoPro Hero 13. Now, there are some tweaks they did to the camera itself for the Hero 13, like they brought back the GPS overlays. but it still suffers from all of the issues that have been plaguing GoPro for quite a few generations of camera now. So now we're over here at Eli's. Take a look at this sign here at night and how much better this is. So, yeah. So far, so good. I'm impressed. So, what I'll do is, during this multi-part series of video tests and comparisons, when it comes to the feature set specifically, and yeah, I will compare the GoPro Hero 13's feature set over the 12. But as far as video resolution and frame rates, the 12 and 13 are practically identical. Looking at the sky again, you can see Ace Pro 2 is picking up much more of the sky. Oh man, my sinuses are kicking my butt. Yeah. Now we're gonna go to the truck. Alright, now we're doing the road part of this test. My headlights are not on. These are pure fog lights that you're seeing. And to continue the conversation, all the footage I will be uploading off of this will be unedited, straight as they are out of the camera. No special settings other than the Ace Pro 2 has its pure video mode, which is its low light night mode. Now I have the headlights on. Now the suction cup I'm using on the GoPro isn't quite as solid. I don't know where my other GoPro suction cup is. So I'm using some like generic Walmart one and it does shit. So hopefully the image stabilization does something for that. But this would just be a quick drive up the road and back, not doing nothing super in-depth. So yeah, this has been a Frontier Michigan video. This is part 1 of Ace Pro 2 versus GoPro. This is the low light test. Both cameras, no special settings other than the pure video mode on the Insta360, and no post editing or anything like that. What you see is how it's coming straight out of the camera. Let the video speak for itself, you know what I mean? So I'll get this edited up and put up. You might see it tonight, you might see it early tomorrow. We'll see. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the daytime for the next parts.